Okay, the wig is not all the way dry, but I just want to show you when you do the method, the mirror slide. See how it comes out? I wanted to show y'all how it looks. So it's still, the cap and stuff is still damp. So I have to let the cap pretty much continue to dry. But I just wanted you guys to see the method when you do the mirror slide and you use that goop gum. As you could see, all of the glue is out of this unit. It's still damp. So I just kind of lay it, I dried a little bit and lay it faced up. And then this is the curly one, okay? This one is still real wet, real damp. But as you can see, all of the glue. So this method is a very good method. It really, really works. So I definitely want you guys to try. And they're going to take quite some time to dry. So now I'm just going to lay it down on the table and lay it like this, facing up. Because none of these I'll be wearing right away. And then once they dry, complete, save your wig bag so that they can go in a wig bag. And this one I'm just kind of blow drying a little bit. This one right here, because I was trying to see if I had it enough. So I actually like kind of halfway tried it on to see. So with this one, it's more or less around the face, the red. So when I have it on, like going around the face, and then it's like periodically through the hair, but not to, you know. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all that so y'all can see that that method really works and it removes all of the glue. So again, that's what you need. That's what you need. You get that and you'll be in there. Okay, you'll be in there. So you guys have a good night. I wanted to show y'all the results on how that looks. So I want you guys to definitely, if you glue down the wigs, or even not necessary just to glue, even if you're doing that this spray stuff, using this, you know, and the tape, whatever, you could still use that and remove all the build-up stuff that's in your unit. So alrighty, we're gonna let these dry. So remember guys, tomorrow I'm gonna be on a 7-day fast, so I will not be posting. I'm gonna be okay, and my prayers goes out to Washington D.C. for that first crash, and now we have a second one in Philly. So my prayers goes out to everybody in those two states, and also to Dalton and Thornton Township with a lot of stuff that they got going on. So God bless you guys. I want y'all to know I'm okay. Just wanted y'all to see the wig. So if somebody want to do it, y'all be like, she showed, you know, some of it, but she didn't show the finishing. The finishing, that's what that wig gonna look like. All right, toodles.